Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move an item on the DrawPad application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the icon next to the 15 icon and tap to the move option and just select an item and you can move this and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.